Hi folks, welcome to my studio. Today I wanted to share with you a drawing activity that I find is really helpful for a lot of beginning artists, but it's also really great if you've been at it a while and are just trying to shake off the dust or break through a creative block or something like that. So the concept is upside down drawings. You take any image that you're interested in drawing. Ideally you have a printout of it, just because trying to keep your phone screen on can get really annoying. You turn it upside down, and then you also draw it upside down. So you're looking at it upside down, you're drawing it upside down. And what this does is it forces your eyes to do all the observing work for you, and it prevents your brain from taking over the process and kind of telling you what you think the object looks like. So today I'm going to walk you through drawing a bird upside down, and I'll show you the process. Yeah, so follow along. Alright, so now we've done our graphite drawing, and we are going to take it a little bit further. We're going to turn everything right side up again and outline and color it in and add a background and do some collage elements. So keep on watching to see how the rest of it goes with our mixed media bird.